deluxe banana bread, take 1. All right, guys. First off, we're doing the recipe out of this cookbook. It says it's from our best recipes from the Church of West Independence. And this church is in Ohio, and this is a 2003 cookbook. And it says deluxe banana cake, but it's fixed in a loaf pan, so I just said bread. And it's from Melissa Hauk. So if anybody knows her, contact her and say, hey, I saw your recipe on Baker Baker. That'd be kind of cool.
Mm-hmm.
All right, first off, we have 1.5 cups of just white granulated sugar in here. And then I've got 1/2 cup of Crisco, or some kind of shortening. You could probably use butter, just change out fat for fat, but I'm using her recipe, so this is how we're doing it. So we're just going to mix this all up together. And she even says to use black walnuts, so that's what caught our eye, because, you know, if you guys have been with us, you know Billy loves black walnuts, and we had some. So I told him I was going to use them, and he said, go ahead. I said, I might use them all. He said, I don't care. I know where they sell them. He don't care as long as he gets something with black walnuts in it.
That's right.
So we're getting this all mixed up, and then we're going to add in the eggs. It says 1 at a time. So we already got 1 cracked here. So we got 1 going in. So let's crack the other one. 2. All right. The oven is preheated at 350 degrees. I remembered this time.
It sure enough is.
All right. So for flour, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour right here. And I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's pour that right down in there. Mix that up a little bit. And we're going to put a little bit in here. You don't want to mix it too much. You don't want to overwork your dough on this. And I have 1/2 cup of buttermilk right here. I'll put a little bit of that.
Buttermilk and black walnuts got to be fantastic.
Flour, the rest of the buttermilk. Yeah, he didn't know it had buttermilk in it. All right, so we got 2 bananas here.
That are real ripe?
These are, that's what Gary said. These are really ripe bananas, which is what you want to make bread.
Mm-hmm. That makes the best.
So, put them right down in this cup here. Get off of there.
Slap it in there.
All right. Get your other one. See, they're not black. They're just nice and ripe.
The riper the better for bread.
Yep. And we're going to smash them up down in here. It doesn't take much to smash them up. And then pour them right down in here.
Yeah, they smash easy when they're ripe like that. All that oil comes out.
Billy likes to put them in protein shakes.
Mm-hmm, I sure do.
He's wanting that Ninja ice cream maker.
Yes, I do.
He's been talking about that ever since he saw it back in the summer. He's like, oh, I want that. I want that.
Maybe Santa Claus will send me one in the mail.
Not that he's begging or anything, right?
No, I'm not begging.
Listen at him.
But I would take one.
I can't believe he did that. All right, so 1/2 cup of black walnuts. All right, going in, stir that all up, and now we've got a loaf pan. We're going to put this right down in. Now, this looks like a lot of batter, so you're going to have a pretty good sized loaf pan, or just put it into a cake pan. Look at that. It smells pretty yummy. All right, it says 350 degrees for 65 minutes. So we'll see you right back here. All right, guys, we took it out of the oven. It was in there for 65 minutes. And Billy has cut him an end piece, and he's putting butter on it. So we'll see what it tastes like here. We're letting him do the taste test.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, he couldn't, he kept waiting. He's like, oh, it smells so good. Oh, we got the wiggle. He likes it. And guys, there was no vanilla and no cinnamon. After I put it together, I was like, well, that doesn't even have any spices in it. But I was really surprised that he likes it that well. Wow. He's going for another bite. All right. Doesn't even have to have any icing or anything on it, I guess. But you can put a glaze on it or something like that. You can even put a crumb topping on it. And, hey, come back here. Wait a minute. We ain't done. All right. Show him the spoon there. He has made a spoon, and it says Biker Baker on it. And it is up to give away. If you go to our last video, which is the Little Debbie Tree Cake balls. Wow, he just can't get enough of that, I guess. Go to the Little Debbie Tree Cake ball video and say want on there, or like, share, subscribe, hype, do all the things. And we're going to have somebody pick a winner for us for that. And that will be until December 15th. We will pick the winner and announce it. Oh, man, I think he might have to have both ends of that because he loves the heels of it. Now I want to taste it. All right. So, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, please. Help us grow.
Peace out, y'all.